There is a substantial risk of loss associated with trading forex, binary options, stocks, or equities, collectively, asset classes. Only risk capital should be used for trading. Trading in any asset classes is not appropriate for everyone. Past performance is not necessarily indicative of future results. No representation is being made that investors will make profits, or will not sustain losses. Before trading in any asset classes, investors should consult with their professional broker, financial advisor, or financial consultant to determine whether trading asset classes is appropriate. Investors who trade in any asset classes should only do so if the capital used for this purpose represents funds that an investor can afford to lose without adversely impacting the investor's lifestyle. No trading strategy or methodology is without risk of loss. No trading strategy is risk-free, and no trading strategy can guarantee profits or freedom from losses. Investors risk losing the cost to execute any transaction, including associated commissions or fees. You should carefully consider whether trading in any asset class is appropriate for you in light of your investment experience and financial resources. Any trading decisions you make are solely your responsibility and at your own risk. None of the statements or materials in the Auvoria Prime chat rooms constitute a solicitation or recommendation to buy or sell.
Welcome to the call, everyone, and welcome everybody that is watching the replay on YouTube or Vimeo. So today we're going to go through different risk settings that we can use in Flash, and also why is it important to have always low risk settings, because we saw this week that the market is unpredictable. Even though that Flash usually has low drawdown, it can happen that it can open a lot of trades up. And so now I will show you what I do and what I suggest you to do if the software Flash is starting to open up like too many trades, as it happened this week on Euro USD. So first of all, like, what I would like to say to everyone is that always start with low risk settings. Okay, why is this important to start low risk settings? Why is it important to start with low risk settings is because we never know how unpredictable the market can be, especially for new users, new people that come to Flash, because Flash has a totally different style of trading than any other software that we have by AP. I would suggest to start with risk settings, the low risk settings, and don't go under moderately low risk settings. Why? Because the market is unpredictable. Okay, so let's jump in now into Flash, and I will show you actually what you guys can do, like when you want to manage actually Flash, and I will show you the risk settings that we have in Flash. So let's open up here the smiley face, and let's expand it a little bit. So the first thing that you guys can do, that you guys can see here, we have, oh, sorry, this is not the right one. Okay, so I'm gonna show you right now what we can do here. First of all, we have the risk settings that we can use is here. Okay, we have stop loss. What does that mean? Stop loss risk settings. It's actually, you have it, and you can set the drawdown limit in cash amount per pair. That means, okay, in Euro USD, if I'm trading with 0.01, this is just an example. I don't know how much you're preparing to risk, but let's say you only want to risk like $200. You can put here $200, and once it reaches $200, it's going to close out all the trades. So you lost $200. So the next thing, what we have is that we have max pairs, max trades, how many trades it can open at one moment. So you can see here, you have it max trades enable. So if you want that, you all say, okay, I only want Flash to open 30 trades, you have to put here 30, and also what you have to do, you have to put it here to true, because if you have it on false, this setting will not work. Okay, so this is really important. Next thing, what you can do with Flash, once it starts opening a lot of trades, when it starts like dropping like crazy, like how Euro USD was dropping, and what happened to us in Euro USD, I will show you right now. Let me open here Euro USD, one more chart window. Okay, so what happened actually to us in Euro USD? Flash started opening up positions right here, and you can see here. So what you can see here, you can see here that the market was actually ranging. Okay, market was ranging inside here. So what was happening to Flash, because the market was going up and down, up and down, up and down, up and down, up and down. So Flash was putting here buy buy limits and buy stops. Okay, and this is why it opened up a lot of trades, and then you saw the market dropped. Then again the market was ranging in between here. So Flash was again opening up buys, and this is like why it opened up more trades. So next time what you can do when something like that starts happening, you can see that the market it's raging for a long time. You can put Flash to work. You can even put it on a daily chart. So what you're gonna do with that is you're gonna limit the pending orders that Flash is gonna be opening. And why is that like important to do, to like manage your account, is because you're not gonna have like so many trades open like up here or down here. But then once the pair starts moving up, you can switch it back to also back to H1. Let me see if there's any questions. Okay, there's no questions. Uh, so yeah, this is what we can do with Flash. And yeah, it happens. Nobody can predict that what it happened by Euro USD, but for now what I'm seeing that Euro USD is gonna do a nice move back up, because if we look, it actually fall for like, I don't know, like around 270 pips. Yeah, 338 pips it dropped in the last 3 days. So now I'm like at least expecting Euro USD to come like at least somewhere here or even higher. So I think that Flash is gonna close us out good, everybody in profit. But yeah, this is just an experience that we got this week. Uh, Maybe it's good that it happens, so people get scared a little bit, so they put more attention to it, like to their trading. And you can see here by me, it's also the same. I put it on a daily, and I will wait that Flash makes a move. Right now, I'm $239 in minus, so what? It's not like so much. But then here you can also see I put it everything to also to H4, and I'm waiting that also gets out from here. Here's 638, but once the market starts moving up, this drawdown is gonna melt like really, really fast. So yeah, this is it from me today. If there's like no questions, this is what I wanted to show you, how you can like manage the risk better. Okay, stop sharing. Okay, let me see if there is any questions. Public chat. Love the product so far. Thank you. Would be okay to keep all those positions open. Yeah, no, you can keep the positions open. Like sometimes, what I like also did, with my positions, I actually, yeah, sometimes I'm like closing down the positions. Oh, sorry. Share the screen. What sometimes I was doing also, it's the positions that are actually like in plus. I was like closing them down, because then if the market reverses, it's going to open up again one more time. But then also if it moves up, you will see it's going to take a little bit longer to actually get out of the trades. But it, you're not going to do anything wrong if you would like close some positions that are already in plus, to like just minimize the position count. So if it turns back, and you're also going to be taking some profits. Let's say here, if we see right now the open trades, the open trades in plus would be how much? Yeah, there's just some trades are already in profit, so I don't suggest that. But like you can see here, you would close out at least like for like $20 also in trades in profit. But then it's gonna take a little bit longer that Flash gets out of all the trades. No problem. You're welcome. So, everybody, if you have any questions, just drop them in the traders chat from Flash, and let's make it great. And let's hope that Euro USD goes our way and that we're out of the drawdown. Have a great day and have a great night, everybody. Bye.